Supplier Quotation in ERPNext.
We are here recording the vendor's responses through supplier quotations, and based on these quotations, we move forward with vendor selection.
A supplier quotation in ERPNext is a document that a supplier sends in response to your request for quotation, RFQ. It includes details like item prices, taxes, delivery time, and terms of service. It is needed because it helps the purchase department compare offers from different suppliers and choose the one that provides the best value. This is the document where we record the price details sent by the supplier in response to our RFQ, request for quotation. Basically, supplier quotation helps the purchase department compare offers from different vendors and choose the best one based on price, quality, and delivery time. This is the ERPNext dashboard. On the left side panel, you can see different modules like accounting, selling, stock, CRM, and more. Now scroll down a little. Here you'll find the option called Supplier Quotation. Afterwards, click the Supplier Quotation. Then click the Add Supplier Quotation button to create a new supplier quotation entry. Here you can also see the option Get Items From. By clicking on this, you can directly fetch items from a previously created request for quotation, RFQ, or material request. Supplier. Here, you need to select the supplier from whom you received the quotation. The supplier's name will auto-fetch from your supplier master list. Status. By default, it shows draft, meaning the quotation is not yet submitted. Once submitted, the status changes to submitted. Quotation number. If your supplier has provided a quotation number, you can record it here for reference. Cost center. This helps track expenses for specific departments or projects within your organization. Project. If the quotation is related to a specific project, you can mention it here. Now scroll down a little. Here you'll see the items table. This is the most important section of the supplier quotation, because here we add the products or services that the supplier has quoted for. Let's go through each column one by one. Item code. Here, select the item code from your item master. As soon as you select it, the item name and description will be fetched automatically. Tax category. Select the applicable tax type like GST, VAT, etc. Shipping rule defines how shipping costs will be applied. Incoterm refers to international commercial terms useful for import-export transactions. This section helps you link the supplier's address and contact details with the quotation. It ensures the communication and delivery information are correct. Supplier address. Select the saved address of the supplier from the list, for example, head office or branch office. The shipping address is the location where the ordered goods or materials will be delivered. It is usually your company's warehouse, store, or project site where you want the supplier to send the items. The company billing address is the official address of your company, where the supplier's invoice or bill will be sent. It is used for payment and accounting purposes, and generally includes details like your company name, GSTIN, and registered address. The contact field refers to the person from your company who will communicate with the supplier regarding this quotation. It helps the supplier know whom to reach out to for updates, clarifications, or follow-ups. This section defines the conditions and policies agreed upon between you and the supplier for this quotation. It includes payment details, delivery timeline, and other important terms. This section stores additional details related to the quotation, mostly for record-keeping, tracking, and internal use. The letterhead is the official company design that appears at the top of your printed documents, like your logo, address, and company name. It gives your quotation or invoice a professional look and maintains brand identity. The print heading is the title that appears on the printed version of your document. It helps you rename or customize the heading shown in the print preview or PDF. The Is Subcontracted checkbox is used when the quotation or purchase process involves subcontracting. That means you're sending raw materials to a supplier who will use them to manufacture or assemble a finished product for you. Next up, click the Supplier field to select or create a new supplier for this quotation. Next up, select Infosys Traders from the drop-down list to assign this supplier quotation. After that, click Get Items From to import items from Material Request or Request for Quotation. Then, click Request for Quotation to populate items from an existing quotation request. Next, select the transaction date of 2025-11-08 for the quotation request. Following this, click Get Items to populate the supplier quotation with selected request details. Now, click Upload to import quotation items from an external file source. From here, click the Save button to store the new supplier quotation. From here, click the Submit button to finalize and confirm the supplier quotation document. After that, click Yes to confirm and permanently submit the purchase quotation document. At the top of the supplier quotation list, you can also see the supplier quotation number we just raised.